So the good news is that Pete and Pedro has created 4 amazing fragrances, which brings us to the bad news. It's hard to choose. Depending on what you're doing, where you're going, who you're with, or the time of day or month or year, it can be a little bit confusing and overwhelming. Now, the truth is that fragrance is very subjective, and I personally will rock all of these all year long. But if you are looking for a little bit more of a personalized selection, Pete and Pedro has created a fragrance quiz designed to help you choose the best fragrance for you. Now, once again, fragrance is very subjective, and so there is no right or wrong, but we took a lot of the guesswork out and wanted to help you identify which fragrance might be best for you in specific situations or different events or who you're with or where you're going. We've been working on this fragrance quiz now for about the past 6 months. Even before Villain was launched, we knew that we needed to help guys have a better resource to help them choose between the 4 amazing fragrances. And gentlemen, I am so incredibly excited for you to take this bad boy for a test drive. We're going to link to it down below, up there, wherever it is. Take the fragrance quiz. Now, I also would like to let you know that if you're somebody that wants to experience and actually wear all of the fragrances before they pull the trigger on a big bottle, we also sell the deluxe sample set, which means you get to try all of the fragrances and decide which one or which ones you're going to love the most.